KGB, I would like to share few words about teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society. They play a big role in building the character of students. Teachers like our parents, friends, and guides. We should always obey them and respect them. I like to thank my all teachers. Thank you. I am Mambakkam, Julie KGB section. I'm going to talk about respecting all teachers. We must respect our teachers. Teachers play very important roles in student life. Teachers all are second parents. They are with the Lord. Knowledge to us. To know how to read and write. Teachers all are friends. They taught good things. They will motivate us and guide us.
Hello children, I hope everyone are doing great. So today we are going to talk about the most important person in everyone's life. So today we are going to discuss about teachers. So respecting our teachers are very important, right? So teachers plays a very important role in everyone's life. So I'm going to share a few points with you all, the importance of teachers and how to respect them and why we respect them. Respecting our teachers. Teachers are the backbone of our society because of their contribution and sacrifice. Our society stands straight. A teacher, first a student, then a teacher. Teachers are who always try to make us capable. They help to find our real talents and to move forward. They always remind us to be focused towards our goals. When everybody laughs at our mistakes, teacher tells us that mistakes are the part of life. Parents give us life, but teachers show how to live our life beautifully. We must have respectfulness and gratefulness for them in our heart. Thank you.